Hi everybody, hope you're all keeping well. This week I'm going to show you how I make my cheesy nachos. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, do it now please. The old thumbs up would be great as well. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have the ingredients. I'm going to make a tomato sauce to go over it. So for that I'm using white and red onions, one each chopped up. A couple of cloves of garlic finely chopped. A teaspoonful of mixed herbs. And of course tins of tomato and a little bit of olive oil to fry that up in. So we'll go over the sauce. Then obviously we got the tortilla chips there, cheese to go over it. We got some spring onion there for garnish, and we got some chili flakes as well. So let's get started. We'll make the sauce to begin with. Let's get on and make this tomato sauce. It's very simple. You got your pan, a little bit of olive oil in the bottom there, nice and hot. Add the onions. So we got one white onion, one red onion, 2-3 cloves of chopped garlic, and a good tablespoonful of mixed herbs. And just let that fry up. So we can let that fry off now for 3 to 5 minutes. So it's all nice and glossy, soft. There, they're all fried up for about 5 minutes there. They're all nice and soft and tender and shiny. So now we're just going to add the tin and tomatoes. And literally we're just going to let that simmer for 2 or 3 minutes. And then that's it done. The sauce is done. Let's put the cheesy nachos together. So here I've just got a metal baking tray. I've got some baking parchment or greaseproof paper. I'm going to put some tortilla chips down. And we take some of the sauce that we've made. I've left this chunky, I haven't smoothed it out. And yeah, some of you will be saying that's not the sort of sauce you use for nacho chips. You use a salsa, which you can buy in a jar. Or it's quite simple to make. It's just fresh chopped up tomatoes, a little bit of white vinegar, some lime juice, some coriander chopped up, mix that up, leave it to cool in the fridge. But this is what my kids like, so I'm not going to argue with them. And we'll put some spring onions around. There's no hard and fast rule with what you put on here. And then we'll put, I've just got some grated cheddar cheese. Sprinkle that over. I like a lot of cheese, so I'm putting a lot of this on. And then you can add some chili flakes. This is sort of an optional extra. If you want that little bit of a kick, just sprinkle them around. Now remember, when you use these chili flakes, give your hands a wash. Because you don't want to go scratching your eye after you've been either chopping fresh chilies or dried chilies. Now all we need to do with that is pop it under the grill for a few minutes. There's the cheesy nachos after being under the grill for a couple of minutes, all nicely melted, ready to eat. So there, that's how I make my cheesy nachos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'll pop another video here and here, the subscribe button in the middle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.